Hey Hot Wheels fans, today I'm going to do another 3D printed wheel project with this guy, the Tesla Model S. I believe it's the first generation Model S, and this is a part of modern automotive history because this is the #1 selling electric car, I guess, in history. And it's combined over all the vehicles in the world. Over 1 billion miles have been driven on electric power here. Um, this is the I know this first came out in 2012, at least that's what the internet's telling me, and it's supposed to have a range of 400 miles. Although some people set a record of 680 miles on a charge. That's pretty impressive. And this car was styled by Franz von Holhausen and his team, who Franz previously worked at Mazda, and I can definitely see the styling of Mazdas in this car. You know, the current Mazdas, but I guess that's a different topic. Initially, this car, I guess, came out with a drag coefficient of 0.24, which is extremely low. I think most cars are in the 0.3, 0.35 range. So I think that's part of the reason why this thing is rated at over 100 miles per gallon MPGe. So because it's low drag. Okay. Now I am curious the scale of this. You know, Hot Wheels never really claims scale. So let's find out. I found on the internet this thing is supposed to be 4,980 millimeters long. So if I zero this out, let me measure the length of this thing. Although that wing, no, it's not touching the wing, so that's not bad. I'm getting 74.3 millimeters here. So, Master Calculator, if I take 4,980 divided by 74.38, that's around 67. It's a little bit small, I guess, right? It's not 1/64 scale. It's more like 1/67 scale. Okay, well, anyways, interesting to know. You know, these cars aren't expensive, so I think, you know, for value, it's pretty hard to beat a Hot Wheels. I mean, let's look at the picture behind of some real Model S's, and then we can take a look at the model. I mean, that pretty much looks like, well, actually, you know what? It doesn't look 100% correct, because I did some searches and I could not find any Model S with this kind of front end. These lights here, I don't think they exist on a Model S. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's like a special edition, because I know there's so many different variations of this car, and I'm just not a Tesla, you know, diehard fan, so I don't know. But anyways, most of the images I see have this kind of front end. So hopefully some Tesla owners or Tesla fans can tell me I'm wrong and let me know this is correct. But off my impressions, this lower fascia, I'm not seeing the similarity. Nor the headlights, so there's something going on there as well. So it's not the facelifted version either. I don't know. Okay, well, let's at least look at the side here and take a look here. So obviously it's a 4-door. We got some door handles here. These should be silver, I guess, on the real car. This is either a reflector or probably a turn signal, or maybe not, because I see something in the mirror as well. It's interesting to see this smoked out glass, so that's pretty cool. I didn't know this. I never actually paid much attention to seeing when I see a Tesla on the road. So I didn't know about that. That's pretty interesting. Looking at the back end, it's nice to see this printing by Hot Wheels here. Let's see if we can focus. So it does say Tesla on some really small black text or something there. There's a little silver hitting the emblem. And then it says Model S, a little Hot Wheels logo, and then the painted taillights. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so we got the riveting here. Yeah, some little diffuser action in the back. Okay. You'll notice also the wheels actually aren't that far off. You know, I think these are probably just common wheels on many Hot Wheels. But if you look at this left photo, I mean, it's a double 5-spoke, so it's not that bad. Good job, Hot Wheels. I think I'm going to try to go for these turbine wheels though when I 3D print my version, because it just seems like a waste of time to try to make those double 5-spokes when Hot Wheels already did a decent job of doing that. So, okay, well, I'm looking here, and you know, the casting has a lot of issues, and I do notice that quite a bit in Hot Wheels. I mean, this is pretty bad here, but the actual paint by Hot Wheels is pretty good. in general. I mean, I'm not seeing any like imperfections here, major paint contaminants at least. No dust, no sand or anything like that. So pretty good. All right. Well then, let me get some better light on this before I switch over to the 3D printed shot here. Let's just focus here. Alright, give me a second. Let's see if I can make some turbine wheels. Okay, and so I'm back with some wheels here. They're pretty much the same wheels as I see on the real cars, including the red brake calipers here. Although I didn't glue the wheels in place so the brakes can actually spin with the wheels. But if you just leave them like that, and there's even, I managed to mold in a little Tesla logo into the hubcap, so I think it turned out alright. Those really the only modifications I made. I didn't bother even to take it apart. I just cut the original wheel off and then you know, clipped the axles. Here's the original one again. So yeah, a little bit different. So I guess if you want to compare to a photo of a real car here, let me back out here. And there we go. So I'm pretty happy. It's always fun to take these little inexpensive Hot Wheels or majorettes and do a little project. Try to keep my 3D printer working. So I'm pretty happy with the results. I guess I'll just leave you with a lame Tesla joke. So did you guys hear about the Tesla owner that ended up in jail? He was charged with battery.